Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Today, we're delving deep into the world of low-maintenance gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking for easy care additions or a busy individual craving some greenery without the hassle, this video is packed with plant suggestions that are as resilient as they are beautiful. Let's kick things off with the ZZ plant. This gem is like the superhero of low-maintenance plants. It can handle dim lighting like a champ and won't complain if you forget to water it for a while. The ZZ plant is a must-have for anyone looking to add some greenery to their space with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about the snake plant. It's like the MVP of low-maintenance gardens. It's tough as nails and can adapt to just about any lighting situation. Plus, it's super forgiving when it comes to watering, making it a top choice for those of us with busy schedules. Let's chat about the Pothos. It's like the overachiever of low-maintenance plants. It grows quickly, doesn't mind low light, and can go without water for longer periods. Plus, it's a breeze to propagate, so you can fill your space with greenery without breaking a sweat. The peace lily, a soft beauty with a strong spirit. It's perfect for those shady spots in your home and won't complain if you forget to water it now and then. And when it blooms, those white flowers are simply stunning. Finally, let's talk about the spider plant. It's like the survivor of the plant world. Whether it's bright light or shade, this plant can handle it. And those little spider plant babies. They're a fun bonus that keeps on giving. And that wraps up our guide to low-maintenance plants. Remember, you don't need a green thumb to enjoy a thriving garden. With these easy care plants, you can bring nature indoors effortlessly. Which of these plants will you add to your space? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!